Hello everyone from Keystone Studio and welcome to the K-Engine tutorial video. You're going to use the K-Engine 0.6.2 pre-alpha version. We are still developing this engine, it's a new engine basically. We will take a look at how to basically create a simple action, button and an image and some effects on an image. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to create first a default button. These are all the plugins basically, so extension at the moment, just for many other are coming, and then page creation, and soon we will have even the variable settings. It's still implemented in K-Engine, but yeah, just the interface still needs to be updated. So for now, just create a default standard button, and as you can see in the list of objects, my button is up here. I'm gonna edit it and then just change the name in button. Okay, and then it is already updated here, and voila, so that's fine. It is fine for me. Just let me move this button here. If you wanted it at the moment, you can even use snapping tool and the grid tool. I don't need it now, so basically just yeah, it's a simple example, just starting a project right now. So write it, okay, and boom, is it helping change it here? Okay, and then let me create an image. Okay, let me spend a couple of words about the image. As you can see, this is a default image. Let me grab it, and as you can see, there's a mask on it. And why you're going to see it by default? Because by default, the transition effects is set to 0.33. Just let me rechange it. Oh, sorry. Transition and smooth. And voila. Yeah. Basically, so this is the original image. And without transition and effects on the about the image mask, you can even see there is the original image. Now I just want to click on this button and apply a transitional image right here. Just let me change the name basically of the button here, because we have button image effects or something basically. Okay, well, as a default, okay, just click on the button, setting here on the editor, on the object editor basically, and then as you can see, I can apply as many action events as I wanted right here. So set this action here. Okay, just let me explain you just a little bit any property, any action, and how this works in K-Engine basically. I have the method of this object, in this case, so of the button, okay, by this plugin, and on mouse click is fine. Otherwise, at the moment, so we have on mouse over and on mouse click, on mouse click, sorry, is fine. The button I want to, as a target, I want to apply the action to. In this case, I have the list of all the object in this page plus the engine, that is general, and the engine represent every function and feature shared by the engine. Okay, so instead I need image 1, and here I can see all the functions that I can set in this image here, just like in this case, yeah, transition. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, let me set 1.0, 1 second, it's fine. Interpolation type, linear easy, set property to 1. Yeah, by default basically, okay, this property it should be, yeah, from 0 to 1, otherwise, yeah, I'm going, okay, 0 is just like now, okay, and 2, 1 is until the end of the transition property. I can now run the page right here and execute the entire project, sorry, this one, the entire project, just like trying the game. I can even run the entire project since the first page, so since the beginning, or otherwise this is at the moment should be a nice feature we are working and implementing into KEngine, that is called Sculpting Mode. So basically the game is actually, I mean the page and the game are actually running now, and I can even try it while I am developing the game. This is a beta feature basically, so we have to decide if you want to keep this feature even in the final release of the engine. What it means that I can even, without running the page or running the project, I can even run some features of the try some features, sorry, of the game right here, and boom, and that's all, and that works. So just clicking on this button, okay, and mouse click, apply the effects on image 1, which effects, which function basically feature here in the image is gave me by this plugin, so the image plugin. The transition is a float transition basically, duration 1.0, 1 second, easy in linear, okay. This is the type, easy in, easy out, easy in and out, easy out in, okay. This is basically the interpolation method and of the transition. And we have transition type, just let me, sine for instance, and then easy in and out for instance, and then boom, bam, about transition there's is not so visible basically. Instead that moving object, in case of moving object or apply any other kind of effects, it could be more visible, okay, just let me for instance change time 3.0, 3 seconds, okay, just apply and boom, 3 seconds for this transition. Well, I can even restart the page from here if I wanted, just editing, and that's it for this video. And in the next video we will take a look at implementing more functionalities, just like changing the this basic image, this default image, and even apply more action to this button or even another button. So I'm waiting you to the next video. Thank you so much for now. Bye.